crime.
Yes, yes. No, I mean, no. No! Wait!
It's as if Abigail was supposed to die in this case. As you are. If you follow the urges you kept on. I know who you are.
Yes, finally!
I am certain one of us killed Abigail.
So it was him!
Whoever that was killed the others.
She has a gun!
Are you a killer?
Shoot! Just shoot now!
I'm crying.
I'm way back.
Okay, wait, commercial. I'll get you the tissues. Here you go.
I'm emotionally compromised. Watch me as I go. It's an apology. He should be. Okay, I'm okay. I'm totally fine.
Okay.
Watching a weird trailer about aliens.
They're robots.
My mistake. I hate you. I hate you.
You seemed like you needed to talk.
How is she not alive?
This is the only
It's dead.
It's dead.
He is serving her.
Hannibal?
It is happening.
Of sorts.
Lies. Lies. Lies.
Your beard is getting cold.
Lies. With the music of angels.
Angels?
Shut up! We don't need another finale in this. But it's so well and I love it. Dead.
I'm
I
wounded.
died.
I didn't dodge the bullet.
I don't feel like I touched the Why? Don't you smile! No!
You just made a very painful episode very funny. It's okay, Laura.
I can't even do this magic palm trick.
You're gonna be okay. No, you're not, but
It's not gonna be okay. But Will, he's my baby, and he's a trail.
You can reuse
I don't care.
Paper bags.
soda bottles.
It's just.
I know it's not gonna be okay, Laura. Let's go get some ice cream.
Okay.
We're walking in the rain and we think it's appropriate. Just going to get our ice cream. It doesn't look that bad, but it's actually pouring.
Yes.
There's a truck carrying away my feelings.
My feelings.